Greetings and welcome back to a new episode of Suffered and Cyprus channel. Today we have Velociraptors. We're going to be discussing the Jurassic World Hammond Collection Velociraptor Delta. Alright guys, we will compare to the original Velociraptor, the original Hammond Collection, also the Velociraptor from Jurassic Park 3, and also Velociraptor Blue. So they all came a long way. This is the very first Velociraptor here. As you can see, it's not that impressive yet. Look at the teeth. It doesn't really, I don't know how to explain that, but it's not that impressive yet. And then this one right here, the third one, Jurassic Park 3, is getting it got a little better actually, the teeth. Then when it goes to Blue, it already had the marble eye. Better teeth, but it's not that sharp though. You can see it right there. The eyes got better compared to this. It's not a marble eye yet. There you go. Then there's Blue, and then there's the Velociraptor from Jurassic Park 3. It has a red tip and tail. Same as the leg, and the back of the leg. There's like red going on there. Okay, let's put them right here. Alright, let's unbox Delta. Let's bring him out. Okay, so as you can see, I think 2 nights ago at San Diego Comic-Con, it was revealed that there's actually 3 more Hammond Collection on the way this fall. They will have a Velociraptor Ghost, Velociraptor Charlie, and a Sutosaurus. So that's really exciting. Alright, here it is. He's out. Let's bring out the tail first. Okay. Okay, let's be careful not to damage it. Whoops. I just said let's not damage it, but I think I did. Okay. Oh my goodness. Bring him out. Alright. Goodness. Okay, here we go. So there's Delta. Okay, now let's compare to Blue. Let's see if their eyes. Oh yeah, it's also a marble eye. There you go. Very nice. The teeth is actually even better now. Look at that, better than Blue. It's jaggier, sharper. Look at that, see? Way better than Blue's. Compared to Blue. See their teeth? There you go. Better color as well. I like Delta because he's the green one. Nice. Really nice.
I'm gonna be this one.
There you have it, guys. Way, way better.
Want to check it out?
There you go. Let's open it up. Very nice. You can feel it's really sharp compared to the original. Look at that. Oh goodness, it's terrible. The teeth, they really, I don't know what they're thinking here. I don't know what Mattel was thinking there. But at least they improve a lot though. We got some real improvements, guys. Oh, what's this? Okay. So yeah. Also, we have another box here we're going to unveil. Let's check it out. Let's put it aside first. We have a box underneath me. It came in last night when I was at work from Target. Okay, let's check it out. No way, we got the pyroraptor now. Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna keep him.
Alright, we have the pyroraptor. Super sweet. It also has a marble eye. That's really nice. Okay, from Jurassic World Dominion.
What is this?
So we already got the whole thing here, except for Claire. We're not buying that. Nice. Alright guys, let's put it right there. Here's our Velociraptors. Alright guys, That's it for today. Wait, where? I'd like to say thank you again. Alright guys, let's not forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much guys. We'll see you in the next video. Our next video will be the custom hybrid. It's all done. It's ready. So that will be on, what is today? Friday, maybe Sunday or Monday. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Thank you so much. You guys have a great day. Messi.